What is that you have? Oh, what is that? What did you grab? Is that a taco shell? Oh, that looks like a Doritos taco shell. Oh, baby, you need some real meat. Where's that snake at? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I've never seen a hawk eat Doritos taco shell. At least it looks like a Doritos taco shell. I don't think he likes it because he's not picking at it no more. Oh my goodness. That poor baby's hungry. Oh, he's looking at it again. Honey, there's nothing to kill. You can't kill it. It's a... Poor baby.